I can feel it in my nostrils, and Vita just sneezed and then shook. They assumed I was coming back. They knew. Seriously, I've owned dogs my whole life. Every now and again, doggy dreams. But that jerking. No. Doggy dreams aren't jerky. And all the time. I'll just keep doing this all night. Show you how much this is for real. As much as I can. So look at that movement. That means awake. What? What's the story they told the guy that works here? When they moved from Maui that helped them, that stalled me 45 minutes last night. What's the story? I'm some big time, got tons of stuff. I take everything for granted. I'm blah, blah, blah. I mean, what the fuck? Seriously, what could you tell somebody to make them risk their job, their livelihood? I mean, what? I mean, literally, if they got caught in here, he would not only get arrested, he'd lose his job. I would sue the hotel. They would probably sue him. Kidding me, right?